Every smartphone begins beneath the earth, where rare minerals are extracted. Raw lithium travels long distances before transformation begins. At the refinery, the purification journey begins. The raw stone is reduced into fine mineral concentrate. Through controlled chemistry, pure lithium emerges. The essential battery element takes its first refined form.
Hold up! Align with the ramp! Got it, ramp's clear!
Multiple elements gather before the next stage. From Earth to industry, the materials begin their technological journey. Refined materials now move toward advanced manufacturing hubs. Global logistics connects raw elements to high-tech assembly. Across oceans, precision materials travel under strict control. Arrival marks the transition from raw material to engineered component. Security and precision define the next environment. Inside these walls, engineering begins. Every shipment is tracked, tested, and recorded.
Batch confirmed. Clear to proceed.
From transport to transformation, the factory takes control. Beyond these doors, precision replaces raw industry. Every material now enters a controlled technological ecosystem. The battery's foundation begins with exact formulation. Chemical balance determines the power within every device. Uniform layers create reliable energy storage. Heat stabilizes the chemistry for long-term performance. Accuracy here ensures safety in every pocket. The transformation from material to component is underway. Layer by layer, stored energy takes structured form. Secure connections guarantee consistent power delivery. Moisture removal protects long-term battery stability. Every component is examined before moving ahead. Precision metrics confirm manufacturing integrity. Only qualified units continue forward. Encased and secured, the battery nears activation. Energy awakens within its sealed core. Power is ready, now intelligence takes shape. Microelectronics define the brain of every smartphone. Microscopic connections are prepared with measured precision. Heat fuses silicon and circuitry into one system. Inspection ensures flawless electronic performance. The device's intelligence is now fully assembled. Power and processor unite for the first time. Structure forms around the technology within. The device begins to take its visible form. Precision bonding ensures clarity and durability. Pressure seals the device into a unified body. Optics are calibrated for precision imaging.
Every lens is aligned for sharp performance.
Audio and feedback systems complete the internal architecture. Detail work ensures durability in daily use. Now sealed and complete, the hardware awaits activation. With hardware sealed, digital intelligence is installed. Each device receives its operational core. Initialization marks the beginning of performance validation. Every interaction is measured for precision. Connectivity is verified under controlled conditions. Power systems are validated for endurance. Structural integrity is tested before approval.
Readings confirm tolerance, it's stable.
Confirmed, shutting down the platform.
Automation ensures flawless consistency at scale. Final refination perfects the device's exterior. Each unit receives its permanent identity. Surface protection prepares it for shipment. Cleanroom standards maintain flawless presentation. Supporting components. Join the final package. Careful placement ensures safe delivery. Sealed for transport, the product nears completion. Every unit is digitally tracked and ready. Before shipment, random audits confirm total reliability. Every sample must perform exactly as designed. Durability is tested under controlled impact. Performance must remain stable in every climate. Seals are verified against moisture intrusion. This is a brief spoken audio sample. Connectivity and clarity complete the evaluation. Approved units rejoin the shipment flow. Orders are consolidated for distribution. From production to logistics, the final journey begins.
Scanning the barcode now. Copy that, ready to load. Checklist confirmed, open the door.
Every shipment is verified before departure. And this is how modern factories produce smartphones from start to finish. Here, every component is tracked for quality.